Okay, I got the Lingbao K98 keyboard from Amazon that my boyfriend got for me on Black Friday sale, and it was on my wish list, so this is what I got. I got the cover board, Lingbao cover board, got the K98 instruction booklet, got the USB Type-C cord, got the keycap grab holder, got some extra key switches, then here is the keyboard. This is a 96% keyboard with numpad, and then here is the USB hiding in the magnetic opening cover, whatever it is, and then Type-C plug, then the Bluetooth USB type cord, and then Bluetooth USB type cord, and then the flippy feet here. So it's 1, 2, no, and then the color. This is what I use. Hold on. The green color. I use the green color a lot. Here's the typing sound, you hear that? I like this keyboard a lot, so the Lingbao K98 is good, and I use this one a lot, and then recent one, the new one that I bought, the Maga G, was just silent. Creamy. This is creamy also, but this is I have 11 keyboards already, so the Maga G was my last one from last week, and so I want to buy one more this month, but we'll see. I'm in between buying something over 100 or buying something under 100, and then I'll buy a couple more in January. Not every month, but I'll see, So, yeah, that's all for this keyboard, and then I'll show you something else next time.